Hello everyone. Let us see default method in Java and its practical implementation. So let us begin. Up till now what we have covered is that what are interfaces, how to use, implement and extend keyword. Then we have seen the practical implementation of interface. We know that in interface you cannot define methods. Okay. Let us see again. We know that we cannot define methods in interface. We can only declare methods. Whereas we can declare and define methods in abstract class. Now, this was up till Java 1.7. As there are new programming languages which are getting introduced, there is a lot of competition and lot of applications which require new features inside the programming language. That is why Java got upgraded, and then Java 1.8 introduces a new feature which says that you can define methods in an interface. So if I want to define a method in interface, I need to use keyword called as default. Let us see this with the help of an example, or rather a program. So all the versions before 1.8 of Java do not have this feature. Function definition. You cannot define functions, but you can declare methods. But in Java 1.8, you can define methods. Okay, and the keyword that you will use is default. Kindly pause the video for a minute and just think on what is the difference left between class and interface now. So in class I can declare methods, I can define methods. So in class where I only declare method, that becomes an abstract class. A simple class where I can define methods. An interface where I can declare and define methods. So then what is difference between the class and interface? Just think on it. Yes, the difference is an object of a class can be created, whereas an object of interface still cannot be created. You can have only reference variable of interface and class, but you cannot have reference variable of, you cannot have object of interface. You can have reference variable and object of class, whereas for interface you can have only reference variable. This is the important difference between class and interface. Let us see practical application of interface. Let us go to Eclipse. Okay, this was the program which we already have done. So I have my interface, and now if you see, we have void add and void show. These are the two methods. What we will do is, now we will define this show method here only. So let us define show method here, and I simply write system.out.print okay, and then I'll just remove this function from here. It shows me error. Why? See, abstract methods do not specify a body. If you see, I'll just write default here now, and now the error is gone because my version is 1.8 version. Okay, and then I'll simply remove this because no need. I say int c, and then I say system.out.print, and then I want it on a new line, so I say /in, and then plus c. Okay, so I'll just remove these spaces so that you can see the whole program on one screen. Okay. So this is my interface. Add function declared, default function, the show function defined here. Now let us run this program. Okay, 9 and hi, I am interface. Okay, so if I want to turn a new line, I can simply say /n, and if I save, then again run my program. Okay, so I get it. Okay, so what you have learned is you can now define your methods also in interface, but what is the condition? You need to use this default keyword, and then only you can define. Can I have method override in this particular thing? What is method override? If I have some function in class A of same name as in interface, then what will happen? So let us see what will happen. I have a function again, void show. I'll just simply copy and paste everything here so that it reduces our time. I say here, see. Okay. Again I have to declare the C outside. Okay. What error I am getting? Visibility. Okay. No. This is my object. This is my show method. So I create an object of my class only now. Say A. Because then it won't be able to access my this show function. If I have an reference variable of my interface, then it will only implement this add and show. So I don't want that. I want to access this show as well as this show. Any show I want. So I will have an object or a reference variable of class A. Okay, let's say public. Why it is giving me error? Okay, extra bracket I think. Okay, let's run this program and just check what is getting printed. Okay, so nice. Oh, I have written that statement here also. So I say save, I say run. Okay, so what has happened? The show function in class A has overridden the show function defined in interface. So in interface I have said hi, I am my interface, and in show function of class I had said plus C, that is I am printing this value of addition. So this show function is overriding the show function that is in interface. Clear? Now if I change this, let's see what happens. I underscore interface. So the reference variable is of this thing. See, it cannot resolve the time. So you cannot have an object or a reference variable of this, because then you have to access the. So now the error is gone. Now if you run it again, so you get the output. Clear? I hope you have understood what is default methods in Java interface. What you have learned is you can define methods in interface by using keyword called as default, and then the function that is defined in class can be overridden by the function that is defined in interface. That's all for now. I hope you have understood default methods in Java interface. Thank you for now. and keep watching videos. Our next video would be on use static method in interface. Thank you again.